secret. Do you want more energy? Do you want more joy, more meaning? Do you want peak performance? Are you sick and tired of feeling sick and tired? I used to have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, adrenal fatigue, and an autoimmune disorder, and I used to be 35 pounds heavier. Today, I look and feel stronger and healthier than I did 10 and 20 years ago. And people are always asking me, what's my secret? What holistic health coaching is really looking at your life, your whole life, and everything from your stress levels with your job, your relationships, what you're thinking. Superfoods are foods that are going to lower your stress and increase your energy, that are fast, that are easy, that are fun. Breath is more powerful than Valium, Prozac, any anti-anxiety pill. Breath is something you can do right now to improve your digestion, your health. So as a retired registered nurse, a holistic health coach, and a registered yoga teacher, I have the background, the experience, and the skills to help guide you toward optimal health and wellness. So I offer individual coaching, wellness-inspired lecture series, healthy happy hours, and corporate retreats. I want Carpe Diem Wellness to be your secret weapon and competitive advantage.